Today is our first full day in Pennsylvania. Good morning. We just dropped off Daddy. We just dropped off Matt. He's supposed to go golfing with his friends today, but it's raining. So they are doing like a virtual golf thing. We made a quick stop at Target so that I could get a hairbrush and makeup because those items were also in the bag that is coming on Monday. Now we're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese! Yay! Pretty much we're just looking for a way to waste time while Matt is golfing, and that's what we decided to do because the boys are dying to go to Chuck E. Cheese. So, yay! Here we go. Set, go! No! Come on back! Yeah! Okay, come on. Woo! You're a fast racer. Today is Mother's Day and Minnie's Day. Minnie's birthday. Minnie's Day. And we're at ZooAmerica in Hershey, so the Hersheypark Zoo. Going? A birthday swim?
Yay.
Spider-Man and Hulk?
Yeah.
Hulk!
Hulk? Hey, Spider-Man? Yeah. Whoa. That's
Day 3 of Hershey. We went back to Chocolate World to ride the chocolate tour ride again because Mace loves it. We also did a little shopping in Chocolate World, and then we came over to Hersheypark Supply Company. Getting some sunglasses there right now, and we had lunch at Milton's Ice Cream Parlor. They also had like grilled cheese and fries and stuff like that. So quick lunch before hitting the road again. And we're just running around outside waiting for Matt to pay.